Welcome back to American AI Masterclass. I am your instructor, and today I am going to give you a complete tour of the ChatGPT interface, every button, every feature, every setting, so you feel completely confident using it from day one. Let us get started. Let's look at the sidebar. On the top left, we have the New Chat button. Clicking this starts a fresh conversation instantly. Below that, your chat history is automatically organized, allowing you to pick up exactly where you left off. Now look at the top center. This is the model selector. You can easily toggle between GPT-4o Mini for quick tasks and the full GPT-4o for your most complex logic. In the center is our main workspace. Your messages appear on the right, and the AI's responses flow on the left. Notice the utility icons below each response. You can copy the text, give feedback with a thumbs up or down, or hit regenerate if you want a different take. At the bottom, we have the message input. Type your prompt here, or use the attachment icon to upload documents and images. There's even a voice button for hands-free interaction. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Finally, let's check your settings. Clicking your profile opens a world of personalization. Custom instructions are a game changer. They let you tell ChatGPT exactly how you want it to behave across all your chats. Let's see it in action. I'll ask a quick question, and you can see the response streaming in perfectly. The interface makes it so easy to follow the logic and interact with the data in real time. And that is your complete ChatGPT interface tour. You now know exactly where everything is and how to use it. In the next video, I will teach you how to write perfect prompts that get you incredible results every single time. Subscribe to American AI Masterclass right now, hit the bell notification, and I will see you in the next lesson.